They're there. And we are at the London Bridge, right?
Yep,
in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. We're going to check it out. And here we go. We're checking it out. That's what we're doing. So we have got a fountain here with lions and cool stuff. Oh, yeah. So a nice little visitor center village, kind of cool. You see this here. I just walk around the outside for a while. There's a really nice fountain. Havasu City. Old time photos. You can buy some gear. Oh, cute. So it's kind of neat. Looks like an old English village, kind of, huh? We're going to go back to the visitor center on the way back. We can go to the visitor center, I guess. Go inside, I suppose. The bridge is over this way, right? Yeah.
Well, that's where the water is.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Duh, me. Oh, candy shop.
Oh, the door is also way
Chair company store. And there it is. There's the London Bridge. From London, England, brought here in the 70s, right?
Don't know.
You don't know? Oh.
It was probably falling down.
The London Bridge was falling down.
So I had to buy it and fix it.
Are you the fair lady that they were talking about? My fair lady. Sure you are. So they brought the bricks, I guess, piece by piece and then remade it, which is pretty cool. So you got a beach store, guided lake tours, which is cool. And you got the old-fashioned London telephone booth, which is cool. And there's the bridge, everybody.
Look at the ducks.
How cool is that? Oh, there's ducks. Are they English ducks?
Nope.
Nope. Still got some holiday decorations up, which is kind of cool. I'll take you to the other side where it's sunnier. I think of those cool boats they have.
Yeah, it looks like a lot of fun.
Water looks clean. Quack, 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 quack. Ducks. Yeah, look at this. This is pretty cool. Actually, this was in London, England. They have many bridges there, though. So, village gifts, souvenirs. Pretty cool.
I would have thought it'd be in Arizona.
Who'd have thunk it, huh?
Yeah.
So there it is again. At least you're on the sunny side here. Jet ski boat rental, all that cool stuff. Of course, we're on our way to Quartzsite today, so we're stopping off here on the way. We're going to set up at Quartzsite for a few days. Get some cool pictures. Hmm?
That's so cool.
It is. Those bricks are huge. I had no idea that those bricks were that ginormous. So these are really cute here too. Puppies. So not a lot of people out in the boats and jet skis this winter. It's kind of cold here.
Yeah.
Relatively cold. I know it's a lot colder other places, that's for sure. But, oh, look, the weatherman. That's me. Heating and air conditioning. That's fun. This is really cute, eh? There's an old-fashioned golf cart from London. Good.
Can I offer you $10 to eat at our resort restaurant while you're here?
Not today. Thank you.
You're right down here.
Okay. Guess this goes on for quite some time. London Bridge Resort.
Well, that's gonna be good.
Huh? Oh, yeah. So there's another Another cool shot of the London Bridge. Doesn't look like it's falling down to me,
Yeah,
but
I think
they fixed it. Sweet. So there's the Kokomo. Whoa, what is that? It's a tree trimmer! A British tree trimmer!
I think he's an Arizona guy.
Oh, you're right. He looked tan.
Yeah.
So we're just kind of walking down the water walk here. Walking down the water walk. That makes sense.
Memorial Walkway.
There's a lot of ducks. Again, this is a portion of Lake Havasu, Colorado River, all that stuff. And, duck fight. Oh no, he's just fluffing himself. I like to fluff myself at least twice a day. How about you? What?
I've seen you do it.
Oh, there's the bridge again. Kind of a nice view of it. That little ferry boat. RV actually driving across the bridge.
We could do that.
We could. It's the next road down, I think. So I'm not sure where it goes though.
Yeah.
Does it go to Germany? I don't know. France, probably. So it looks like this is a nice walkway they have going down here. So it's pretty cool. Quite a bit of pedestrian traffic, but not that bad. So it's, again, the London Resort Hotel, I assume, right? No fishing. So this is kind of the end, so maybe we'll turn around here. Get another good shot of the bridge.